Rivers Metroparks and Wright State University appreciate you attending the region's premier outdoor adventure exposition.
Hey, it's the Adventure Summit. It's all about inspiring people to spend time outdoors, go on trips, travel, have adventures, and so it's just 20 years since the first one. We're excited to see all of the smiling faces and inspiration. That it's like planting seeds that grow into new adventures within the community.
But in 2014, I came home, I was like, what's my next project?
I loved all of the stories and the people that you get to meet at this type of event.
And at that point, I was like, who were the first people that traveled by bike? Where did they go and how did they travel?
At the Adventure Summit, we have an outdoor expo. We have competitions, including an indoor triathlon and a bouldering competition. 35 plus presentations, triads, including BMX, scuba, canoe battleship, and lots of fun activities to do here at Wright State.
I'm presenting on trauma-aware outdoor leadership today. It made me realize that we kind of have a responsibility to emotionally support our participants while we're out there. We're really only taught to measure these types of challenges in terms of skill or difficulty or distance, when it's really a lot deeper than that.
See what else.
This is a really special event for my student staff in campus recreation because we are very passionate about outdoor recreation and outdoor adventure. So to be able to share that with the community and to be able to learn about more opportunities both in Dayton and also all over the world is a really fun and exciting opportunity.
So I think bringing some humility into my presentation and my work is part of what I really enjoy. And I think it's also a good example to set for other people that they should talk about their mistakes because there's a lot to learn from them.
We can't live without the outdoors. We can't breathe oxygen without trees, and that seems to be something that's kind of lost.
It's been all 20 years at Wright State. It started back in 2006. It's been going strong ever since. Fun to see it all come together and see that inspiration that inspires people to spend time outside.